At Oneness, quality does not just begin on the production line, it begins from the soil. Located in southern Taiwan, Oneness Nanchou Plant is where botanical extracts are transformed into clinically reliable products through innovative science, validated manufacturing processes, and rigorous quality standards. Across 80,000 square meters, Fespixin and Bonvadis are manufactured in a PIX GMP and ISO 13485 certified facility, supported by internationally recognized standards for quality, environmental management, and occupational safety. Plectranthus amboinicus, also known as Mexican mint, is cultivated, collected, and controlled under GACP standards, then extracted, purified, and manufactured, following the US FDA's Botanical Drug Development Guidance. Every step is under quality control to ensure batch-to-batch consistency. Excellence is not only defined by a single batch, but also by the ability to deliver the same quality time after time. From soil to science, from consistency to clinical confidence, at Oneness, every tube counts, every limb matters.